The Dhikala zone of Jim Corbett National Park is the most sought after zone for every tiger lover, both in India and beyond. Me and my friend Atulji came from Delhi to spend our night at the Dhikala Forest Rest House and to search for the big cats.
So I am at the wildlifers' dream destination, Dhangadi Gate, and some beautiful paintings are there on the wall. And we are about to enter, and then we will reach our forest rest house. And the best part is that while going to the FRH itself, you might encounter a lot of wildlife and possibly a tiger too. So you never know. So our cameras and all are absolutely ready to like go. So let's see if on the way we can find something that would be really awesome. But anyways, our safari will start from 3 in the afternoon. So that is the main safari that we are looking forward to today. A lot of cubs are there in Dhikala right now, so it would be awesome if we can find a cub, like some cubs in this trip. So yeah, let's see what we can find on the way.
After we got our permits checked at the Dhangadi gate, we started to head towards our destination, the Dhikala Forest Rest House. The total route from the Dhangadi gate to the Forest Rest House is 31 kilometers. On our way, we encountered an animal which is found across majority of the forests in India, a wild boar. This particular individual was pretty bold and alone. It gave us ample amount of time to film it. Finally, it crossed the road and then we continued our safari. As we moved forward, the landscape changed completely. We reached a patch where it was dominated by the sal trees, and the road was just amazing. After a while, we came across the Sultan Forest Rest House, and as soon as we crossed the rest house, we saw a tawny owl preening itself. The tawny fish owls are extremely rare, and I was extremely happy with the sighting. It took us a while before we noticed that the owl was actually guarding its nest. In the nest, there was a chick as well. After our encounter with the owl, we started to move forward towards the Dhikala Forest Rest House. We realized that we are probably gonna be late for the safari. Initially, I was under the impression that the safari was going to start from 3 in the afternoon, but later I realized it was 2 in the afternoon.
So we are just 4 kilometers away from the Dhikala campus, and it's 2 p.m. approx. So after reaching there, we'll just put our luggages in the room and probably head out for safari. So yeah, but during this time it's not gonna be easy to spot a tiger since they'll probably be lying around somewhere and less likely they're gonna move. So yeah. आती है ना. So we have finally reached Dhikala campus. Beautiful place, beautiful landscape, and we are all set for our safari as well. So from the campus itself we get to see some elephants. They are a little far off, but still Beautiful place. Haven for wildlifers. Literally. Let me show you the hathi, the elephants as well.
The herd of the elephant was very, very far, but who doesn't like clicking the gentle giants?
So we just ate some biscuits and we are all set for our first safari.
That was our lunch.
Yeah, biscuit was our lunch. Yeah, we did not had anything else. But the bourbons were good enough. Now let's see what's in store for us.
अंदर से क्या पहना है?
I had no time to change my t-shirt and I realized I was wearing red, a color that one should not actually wear inside the jungle. It will actually reduce your chance to spot a tiger or birds and other wildlife. At the start of our safari, we moved towards the Sambar Road, which is the territory of a famous female tigress, Pedwali. She got her name Pedwali because she is very efficient in climbing trees. Recently, she has 3 cubs, which we were also after.
स्टार्टिंग में पानी में चलेगा.
So our tiger has just crossed the road and some of the gypsies have spotted them. So let's see if we can track it down.
After scanning the area, we spotted one of the cub which was out in the open. We also noticed carefully that the bushes were moving, so we realized all the cubs were in that place.
So getting to see 4 cubs. Wow, everyone is here. A lot of people are here. I got to meet one of my old friend as well, Somujit. And what a sighting. Wow.
हाँ अब आप दिखाओ कुछ.
Some space has been made. Now let's see if it comes out on the road. It's a patience game now. We have cleared the road a little bit. There is enough space for the tigers to cross, but let's see. We missed the mother before we could take any shot or video. It crossed the road and only the cubs are on this side. Now they are also probably going to cross. Let's see, hoping for the best. So far it was amazing. If they cross, it is gonna be out of this world.
While we waited for the cubs to cross the road and follow the mother, something unexpected
Wow.
happened. The mother came looking for the cubs.
Wow. The mother is calling the cubs. Wow. 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 Wow.
मजा आ गया. हाँ तो उधर
Wow. अरे
नीचे नीचे साइड से निकल के.
Wow. This is how far the tigers are. Just this is only 10 feet away from our jeep, literally. I mean, just amazing. Wow.
Once Pedwali and her cubs left, we also left the Sambar road and we moved towards the river area, which is ruled by a tigress named Parwali.
So we are now entering the territory of Padwali. Let me show you her habitat. It's a beautiful park.
Parwali also had cubs and she had total 4. And right now it was our mission to spot them only. After crossing the riverbed, we came across a big group of spotted deers. Even though they are very common, but I enjoy clicking them every time. After clicking the deers, we started to look for clues, and we got to know that Pedwali was actually growling in the small nala. We waited there for a while, but she did not came out, or we did not found any other clues. We enjoyed the beautiful sunset and concluded our safari. We decided tomorrow morning we were going to come back here only.
So today we are probably going to spend more time around the Pad and we'll try to get Padwali with the cubs. Let's see. And we heard a lot of elephants in the morning, so not sure where they are. So let's see. So this is where we had our sighting yesterday, and I mean it's just unreal. This landscape is equally priceless. It's gonna be even better once the sunlight is little bit more there. Wow. So this is the area of Pedwali, but today we'll be trying for Padwali more. Even Padwali has cubs, so let's see.
We wanted to look for the Parwali and her cubs, so we directly went to the spot where we heard the growling of Parwali in last safari. Upon reaching the spot, we saw a lot of jeeps were there, so we understood that the tigers are around. Even though the tigers were little far off, still we thoroughly enjoyed the sighting. It was a treat to watch these cubs play. Unfortunately, the sighting did not last it for long. She left with her cubs soon. But finding 7 tigers in one single trip was a very big deal for us. After the incredible sighting, we started to head back towards the Dhikala forest rest house. And we saw something amazing.
So the forest departments are patrolling the region. Let's see. On elephant. So we are waiting, letting them pass. So previously, those who don't know, in Dhikala, elephant safari also used to happen, but now it's not there anymore, which is good actually. These are massive elephants.
And with that, it was finally our time to say goodbye to Dhikala and this magical forest. We had an incredible time over here, and the sighting we had is probably going to last in our memories for a very long time. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.